Came across an MGR file from old Unix workstation graphics? This bitmap format dates back to the early days of windowing systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and convert MGR bitmap images. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful MGR inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. An MGR file is a monochrome bitmap image format associated with the MGR windowing system. Users typically encounter this legacy format when working with older scientific data, academic archives, or Unix-based graphical applications from the 1980s and 1990s. The primary user intent is to view or convert this obscure format into a modern one, like PNG or JPG. The MGR format is a simple, uncompressed binary file. It consists of a small header defining the image's width and height, followed by a raw stream of bitmap data where each bit represents a single pixel, 1 for black, 0 for white. This minimalist design was optimized for low memory systems and fast rendering on early monochrome displays. The software default for the MGR file type is the solution provided by Pierre-Emmanuel Gougelet's XNView MP. Full multitrack access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows can preview many raster formats, but detailed editing requires image software. To force access, right-click your MGR file and select Open With. If XNView MP is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your MGR file isn't cooperating, don't worry, you're dealing with a truly tricky MGR file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, converting with NetPBM. Use NetPBM tools to convert MGR files to modern formats. Run MGR ToPBM to convert MGR bitmaps to PBM format, then use PNMTO-PNG or similar tools for further conversion to PNG, JPEG, or TIFF. This pipeline provides reliable access to historical MGR images on modern systems. Next, opening in image viewers. Try opening MGR files in ImageMagick GIMP or XNView with broad format plugin support. Some viewers recognize the MGR format directly, while others require NetPBM conversion first. ImageMagick's identify command shows file recognition status before committing to display attempts. Finally, preserving for archives. Convert MGR files to PNG or TIFF format for long-term preservation, since the original MGR format is rarely supported in modern software. Maintain the original MGR files alongside converted versions in archives, preserving authentic historical computing artifacts while ensuring continued accessibility through standard image formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.